Chelsea and Cole sweet moments and new chapters. Narito si Chelsea Manalo, our reigning Miss Universe Philippines 2024 elegant, fearless, and redefining beauty. At si Cole Maisek, emerging basketball star and model, kilig factor. Makikita sa kanilang Instagram posts, mga candid moments, beach walks, sunset embraces, and sweet messages all over. To the most beautiful woman in the universe, sulat ni Cole kay Chelsea sa birthday post niya. At si Chelsea, nag-reply ng heart emoji at sinabi pa, older with you. Ang tanong ng marami, are they just friends o something more? Pero anuman ang label, ang vibes. Maximum kilig. Two stars from different worlds, pageantry and sports, coming together with respect, laughter, and shared moments. Sa panahon na mabilis ang husga, pinipili nilang i-enjoy ang journey quietly but proudly. Sabay sa lakbay, sabay sa sayad. Kaya enjoy natin ang chapter na ito para kay Chelsea at Cole.